Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to keep your violas and pansies blooming and bushy. Here's a clip from the show. And then I want to talk a little bit about our flowers. I have enjoyed these so much. These are just ones that reseeded from what we had in here last year. We got a lot of different colors. But if you take a look at this guy right here, he's laying over, and he's also got seed pods. So these are the seed pods, and we want to take those off if you want it to keep blooming. And so we can take off those, and we can take off the spent flowers off of here. And then I also want to take the top out of this plant, because you can see it's just like really long and stretchy. And so what I'm going to do is break this tip out, and then that's going to force it to grow sideways and put on more blossoms. I also have this one here is stretching. So if you just reach through your flowers and you just take a top out here and there, it will help it to have different branchy, what do I say? It'll branch at different times depending on when you take the tops out, and so you'll always have some fresh flowers coming on until it gets too hot. So I want to do that and then just deadhead and get the seed pods off, and we can enjoy these quite a bit longer. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 8. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.